Hello guys, this application is about Python bank account application that will demonstrate is the relationship, inheritance, polymorphism and aggregation. This will be the object-oriented programming from the Python classes. Introduction. Application to demonstrate object-oriented programming concepts of Python programming language including inheritance, abstract classes, pure virtual methods. Let's make it abstract methods. Abstract methods, overriding and polymorphism with the user interactive manual driven application for the sake of learning programming. It also includes aggregation relationship represented through a bank class that will manage the bank accounts. Python inheritance we will demonstrate is a relationship. Is a relationship indicates that a class is a subclass of another class. Is a relationship promotes code reuse, which is the basic advantage of object-oriented programming. We can use procedural programming in Python, but we can also use object-oriented approach to solve a problem. For example, a person is a base class and a student is a subclass. Now the student is also a person. That will demonstrate the is a relationship. Polymorphism provides another advantage where child classes can override the base class methods and provide their own functionality. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. In Python, we will import ABC module to and extend it for the to declare a class as abstract class, and we will use abstract method annotation or decorator to define an abstract method in the base class that we will override in the child class or derived class. Abstract methods must be overridden in child classes or overridden methods called for polymorphism. These will be the classes: manual driven account application, and we will write a bank account class that will be abstract class, and we will define private fields. In Python we need to prefix two underscore characters to make a field as private field that will be only accessible through public methods, and we will use a single underscore to make a class field protected. That is the approach used in Python, that is quite different from C family languages like Java, C++, and C Sharp, where we normally use protected, private, and public access modifiers. Checking account that will extend the bank account class, savings account that will also extend the bank account class, and these classes override the functions withdraw, deposit, and transfer. Bank class will aggregate the accounts, and we will use the Python list to store the bank account objects that we will access through different functions, and we will then write a main code that will present a menu driven application to the user, where user can create account and make transactions like deposit, withdraw, transfer, and can apply interest rate and check the balance also. Thank you, and let's begin. Okay guys, I have created an empty project in pycharm, and we will add classes, one file for each class. Account class, checking, savings, and bank. Okay, now we will write the account class first. Okay, we import ABC and abstract method. From ABC, import ABC and abstract method. Okay, now we define the class account, and we extend the class. Okay, constructor. Okay, we pass account number. Self dot account number. Let's make it private. Account number. Okay, that's it. And we also need a balance. Balance is the protectors. We declare protected members as prefixed with the single underscore. Private members, two underscores, and public members, no underscore. Balance is equal to 0. Okay, this is our constructor. Class constructor. Account number to initialize account number. Okay, now we define abstract methods. We need to add annotations. And def deposit, self and amount, and pass. We will override this function in the child class. Abstract method withdraw, self amount, and pass. Abstract method transfer, self, from, to, and amount, pass. These are the three functions we are going to implement in the child classes. Let's change this keyword. From account to account. That's it. We don't need anything else in the account class. Okay, let's begin. Checking account. We import account class. From account, import account. Okay, class checking account and account. Okay, provide constructor. Account number, pass it to the parent class. We call the parent class constructor with the super function and init, and pass it. Okay, and so we don't need anything else to do, so override functions that were abstract functions. First function is deposit. Okay, now check the amount. Same condition, must be positive value. If amount is greater than 0, so we add it. Self dot Okay, so guys, if the amount is positive, we will add it to balance amount, else flag error. Deposit amount must be positive. Okay, that's it. Let's do the withdrawal function and let's return true and false. No, we don't need true and false here. Okay. Let's do it. Return true and return false. Def withdrawal, and we will first check positive value. If amount is greater than 0, and else print error, withdrawal amount must be positive. Let me increase the font so that you can view it properly. Font. Okay, let's change the IntelliJ right and editor font. Let's make it 30 to make it bigger so that it is visible properly. Okay, now if condition sufficient balance, if balance is greater than equal to amount, then we will subtract it. Underscore balance minus is equal to amount, else error message. Print error insufficient balance to withdraw amount. Okay, this function is good. Now let's transfer funds. Okay, to transfer funds we need checking account. Okay, 1 minute, we need to change the prototype of this function to account. Okay, so def transfer and same way check amount positive if amount is greater than 0, else print error transfer amount should be positive. Check balance. If balance is greater than equal to amount, transfer it. So how we transfer? We call account dot deposit and pass the amount and subtract to withdraw from current account. We can directly manipulate it like self dot underscore balance and amount. Okay, this will work fine. Okay, okay, let's go to Let's copy these functions and we go to, let's add few things. Let's add a transaction fee underscore fee is equal to, let's say, 1.75. This is the fee charged on each transaction. Let's say on withdrawal function, withdraw. Okay, now we have to check the balance plus fee. Okay, now subtract fee also. Okay, same way we do the check for okay, not check, we need to subtract fee from here. Self dot underscore balance fee. Okay, no fee, let's charge the fee here. No, okay, leave it, no need. Let's go to savings account. Okay, same way, import account, from account import account, and here we write the class definition, class savings account, and extend account. Okay, constructor account number pass to the superclass, account number, and let's set IR interest rate 0.0, let's say 375. This is percentage 3.75%. Okay, now let's copy the functions to speed up the implementation. We change them accordingly. Savings. Okay, we don't need fee here. Savings account gives benefit to the user. And remove this check also. Remove. Everything is good. Let's add a couple of functions here. Apply interest. This will add the interest into the savings account. Def apply interest. Okay, let's calculate the interest. Interest is equal to balance multiplied by IR. Okay, deposit interest. Okay, this will add interest to the apply interest to add to the account balance. Rest of everything is same. Okay, now let's write the bank class. Okay, now we add import account from account import account. Okay, basically we don't need this anyway. Class bank, let's extend object. Okay, definition, constructor definition, Okay, here we only need self dot underscore accounts empty list. Okay, def add account. Okay, dot append account. Okay, let's find an account. Def find account and account number. Okay, return none in case of failure for account in self dot accounts if account dot get account number is equal to account number return account. We need to add getter functions. Account. Okay, getter function def get account number return self dot account number. Okay, we will call this function to get the account. Okay, balance def get balance return self dot balance. Okay, next I think these two will be good. Bank. Okay, this is find account def deposit from account, let's say from account number, no, only account number and amount. Let's find the account. Account is equal to find account number. Self reference. Okay, check if account is not equal to none. Okay, do the deposit. Account dot deposit amount. Okay, let's say if print success transaction completed, else print error. Let's error is printed from the function also. Okay, so this is enough. Else print error, no such account exists with account number. Okay, let's do the withdraw function. Self account number amount. Let's copy. Okay, find the account, none. If not none, withdraw. Success, and otherwise no account. Okay, that's it. Let's do transfer. Def transfer from account number to account number and amount. Okay, get accounts from account, find from account number to account number. Okay, now if both are not none. From account is not none, and to account is not none. Okay, so we will call from account dot transfer to account and amount. Okay, else print error one of the two or from accounts is not does not exist. Okay, that's it. Let's check balance. Account number. Okay, find the account. If not none, I normally code in Java and C++ and C Sharp, so in the habit of typing lot of parentheses and curly braces. The languages like VB.NET and Python gives me problems because of the syntax. If account is not equal to none, so we print the balance. Print balance is okay. Account dot get balance. Okay, and else print error. No such account exists with account number. Account number. That's it. These are our functions, and shortly I will write the tester function. Let's begin our testing function. We will present a manual driven application to the user to test the bank accounts functionality. Let's import the classes. From account, import account. From checking, import checking. From savings, import savings. From bank, import bank. Okay, now let's write a menu function. Okay, def menu. We present a menu to the user. Print, let's make it a loop. Choice 0. Let's say -1. While choice is not equal to 0, sorry, choice is less than 0 and our choice is greater than, let's say, 5. Print number 1. Create an account. Print number 2. Check account balance. Print 3. Deposit and amount. And 5. Withdraw and amount. And print transfer and amount. Print, let's say 0. Exit. Okay, that's it. So if less than 0 and it is greater than 5, it will continue prompting the values. Okay, read the value. Choice is equal to int input, enter choice. Okay, so return the choice to the caller. Okay, now let's add one function. Create an account. Def create account, and let's pass bank as a parameter. So present menu to user to select account type, choice, let's say 0, let's say -1. Okay, while choice is less than 0 or choice is greater than 3, or say 2, print number 1, select account type, print number 1, checking account, print number 2, savings account, and print 0 back to main. Okay, prompt for the choice is equal to int input, enter choice. Okay, now if choice is equal to 1, create checking account. Checking is equal to bank dot get next account number, and checking account and add to the bank dot add account checking, print success, fully create a checking account. Let's print a new line here, print else, sorry, lf choice is equal to 2, so create a savings account, and next bank dot add account savings, and print same value. Let's copy this, savings account, and else return nothing, do nothing. Okay, that's it. Let's loop here, create a bank object, bank, and we will write a choice -1 while choice is not equal to 0, run the loop, read the menu is returning the choice. Okay, 0 we will exit, and otherwise we will run these, print if choice is equal to 1, create account and pass the bank object, lf choice is equal to 2, and check balance. And let's add small functions here, check balance, bank, and account number, int input, enter account number. Making small function is a good way of organizing the code instead of putting everything in the main. So bank dot check balance account number, and we simply call this function from this choice check balance past bank. Same way we do LF choice is equal to 3, that is deposit. Do deposit bank. Same way choice is equal to 4, withdrawal. Do withdraw bank. LF choice is equal to 5, transfer. Do transfer bank object, and else we will exit. Print goodbye. That's it. This is our application. Now we need to add these functions. Okay, the deposit function, def do deposit and bank. Same way we will ask for account number and amount, float, input, enter, and amount to deposit. Okay, now call the bank dot deposit and amount, sorry, account number and amount. Okay, copy this function for the withdraw. Do withdraw, and these two things are same, and call the withdraw function. Okay, now the transfer function, copy transfer. We need two accounts, so copy this from account number to account number, from account to account, and amount to transfer. This is amount to withdraw. When you do copy paste, make sure to update the prompts. Bank dot transfer to account number, from account number, and to account number. That's it. Okay, we can add further things like do transfer deposit. Okay, we need to change the name. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's run this application. Okay, we have a menu here, and we create a function. Sorry, we create a account. Let's say checking account. Checking account is created. We should print the account number, bank, and main, add account, create account. Okay, let's add account number, so we know what account number is created. Checking dot get account number. Okay, copy it here also. That's it. This is savings. Okay, let's run it now. Cancel and stop and run instead of debugging. Okay, create an account, checking account. So we have created account with 1001 Okay, let's check balance. 101. We have zero balance. Okay, let's deposit an amount. Let's enter 3 and account number, and let's say 2500. Okay, now successful transaction. Let's check the balance. 1001. Okay, now we have this balance because of the reduction of transaction fee. Okay, let's create a savings account. 1 and 2 for savings, or savings account is created. Check for balance. 1002. We have zero balance. Let's deposit. 1002. Let's say 5000. Okay, amount is deposited. So check balance again. 1002. Okay, over balance is 5000. Okay, now let's say we are going to withdraw. Number 3. Number 4. Okay, 1002. This is savings account. We withdraw 500, and let's transaction failed. Need to see what is wrong here. Let's check. 1002. Okay, transaction is done. We must have done an invalid. This is checking savings account, deposit, return true, return false, and amount. This is withdraw. Okay, we have not returned the return true and return false. We need these so that we know the success and failure. Okay, from here return true and return false. Okay, this will help us do things for printing a notification. Same way checking. Return false. This is successful operation, so return true. Return false. Return true. Okay, I think this will work fine when we run it next time. Okay, for the transfer account number, let's say savings account, and over checking account, let's say we are transferring 2000. Okay, this ignore this message because this is due to the boolean value we did not return in our implementation. Let's check the balances. Number 2, 1002. So over funds are transferred. In our last call, the balance was 4500, so 2000 transferred, so we are left with 2500. Okay, in the checking account 1001. Okay, see, over amount is increased in the checking account. This is all, guys, and thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have learned a lot about the object-oriented programming in Python. Next video will be the same application in C#, and the next video, sorry, 2 more videos on this, C# and VB.NET. I'm not going to start languages like Go and Dart. After a while, I will start presenting all these tutorials in those languages also. For example, Node, TypeScript, and jQuery, and Dart, and let's say Go, and also Crust maybe. Thank you. Please promote the channel by subscribing and writing comments. Thank you very much.